Now we're just gonna take a drop of the blue, get it lathered up on your Q-tip and put it right on in. Whoa, did you see what happened? That is amazing.
How did she do that? Man, we gotta call her. Hey, Mir.
Oh, hey, Big Steve. I'm kind of busy doing an experiment right now. What's up?
Yeah, I know. I'm watching you right now. I need to know how you did it.
That's super cool. I can walk you through all the steps right now.
Man, thank you so much. This is gonna be so much fun, but I gotta go because now I gotta do this experiment. See ya. Well, hey, it's me, Big Steve. Man, Mir showed us such a cool experiment and she sent me the instructions. So we just gotta get some stuff going on behind the scenes like last time, and then we're gonna get to do that super cool experiment. Are you guys ready? Yeah, okay. We gotta go get safety equipment first. Come on, I remember exactly where I put it. Hey, you knew they were here too? We get to do the experiment, but do you remember who we were talking about last time in the last episode? Yeah, that's right, Esther. Esther, did you know that guy Mordecai, remember Mordecai? He was the guy that adopted Esther. Well, Mordecai was hanging out one day, right? And he was kind of hanging out just like we were in this room. And when he was getting ready to come out, he overheard these two guys talking about how they were gonna kill the king. Seriously. They were planning on killing the king. And Mordecai was like, there ain't no way that I'm gonna let these guys kill the king. So he went and told the head guard, and the head guard caught those guys and put them in jail. So the king got to survive because of Mordecai. The kind of bad part was, the guy who he told, he took all of the credit. So the king didn't know that Mordecai really saved his life. I think that's kind of crazy. But anyway, we got a few things left to get. We got to get, Mir said we had to get a bowl, fill it with water, then we have to get a bunch of pepper, and then we got to get some basic hand soap. So let's go grab those things right now. So we got everything on the list. We got the water that we filled, we got the pepper, and that blue stuff, it was just soap. Remember how I said that Mordecai didn't get any of the credit? Somehow there was a guy and he would record everything, meaning he would write down everything for the king. And one time the king was kind of hanging out, maybe on like vacation. I don't know where he was. So he was hanging out on vacation, I'm pretty sure. He was hanging out somewhere and he was kind of bored. He decided to read the royal record. And as they're reading it, they get to the part where he was almost assassinated. That's a fancy word for people tried to kill him. So they get to the part where the people wanted to hurt him, and he's reading it and he's like, oh, I know this part. I know this part. This is the part guard guy comes and spoils the whole plot. Only he gets there and it says Mordecai overheard it. And Mordecai came and ruined the whole plot. And the king was like, plot twist. What do you mean, Mordecai? And he goes, hey, royal recorder guy, get to the part where we throw Mordecai a party in his honor for saving my life. And the royal recorder guy was like, nah, we didn't do any of that for Mordecai. We didn't even know he did it. And the king was like, get Mordecai here right now. And they threw Mordecai a crazy, crazy party, a huge party. But to give Mir credit, because she was the one who taught us about the experiment, we're gonna pour the pepper into the party bowl. I don't really know how much pepper I'm supposed to put. That looks good. Okay. Man, so we got the pepper in, and then all we're supposed to do is put a drop of blue in there. You think this will work? Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Whoa! How cool is that? Man, it worked. It worked. And you know how it works? Because of the surface tension on top of the water got displaced by the soap. That is so cool. All of the pepper ran away. So in this, it's kind of like that story with Mordecai, because all of the bad stuff had to flee when God came, because God made everything good. That is so exciting. Man, we're gonna have to make sure that we tell Mir a super special thank you for helping us with this experiment. That's all the time we got for right now. See you next week. Bye-bye.